Hi everybody, this is Jeff the Scrapper. Got some of these phone cables. They're, old phone cables. You don't use them anymore. I got these gold pins in there. Can't hardly see them here. Anyway, this one has 2. The last one I did has 4. Found an easier way than to try and pick them out with a piece of wiper blade with a point on it. The only thing I found hard enough and skinny enough that I can get in there, but it didn't work. I spent way too much time. So now I thought, well, let me try a heat gun. So you need a heat gun, a pair of pliers, and a pair of side cutters. Some of these, a dark dish. This is an old aluminum pan. I just find it handy to put stuff in it when I take stuff apart. Keeps everything together. Sort through it easy. Okay, so I take my heat gun, put it on the high setting, heat it up. Heat it up real nice. Still starts to bubble and get soft. See it bubbling? It's white. Soft enough. Set the heat gun down. Grab you a pair of pliers. Squeeze on it right about there. Take your side cutters. Right to the right and left of it. Just bite down, bend it out. They almost pop right out. Bend it out. Then I just reach in there. Pull them out. Take the end, just rip it out, throw that. Plastic recycling. Grab you the other end. Heat that up. Just till it starts to turn white and get soft. Maybe there's another way. I haven't found it. If anybody knows, let me know. I'd rather not use the heat gun and save electric. Anyway, here we are. Grab your pliers. Right below the gold pins, take your side cutters to the right and to the left. Peel that back. They almost pop right out. There's one. There's the other one. See how quick and easy that is? Grab that, pull that out. Recycling. And you got these 2 little wires in here. Take yourself a pair of side cutters or your wire strippers. Strip back the wire. And you need a utility knife. You can throw the wire in there just like that. I find the more insulation you have, the less they give you for the wire. Peel you a couple wires out of there. This one's a little bit, I don't know. These are kind of old wires, I guess. Both gray. These ones here are about the hardest ones I've come across to get the wire out. Generally, they just peel right out. There it goes. Yes. Peel it right out. Till it breaks. Anyway, I don't need to show you how to strip wire. If you're doing this, you're after the gold pins anyway. You can throw the wire in the bucket just however you like it. So anyhow, if you find a better tip, let me know. Thanks for watching. Keep on scrapping. Thank you for Moose the Scrapper and all you other scrappers on YouTube for inspiring me in different ways to do things. If you like this, press the like button. And if you choose to subscribe, subscribe. This is my first video on YouTube about scrapping, so maybe we'll do more. Thanks and God bless.